I want to introduce you to a fabulous little tool I've recently discovered called the MagicSpiral. It's a stainless steel spiral garnisher. So let's just pull it out of its packet. They're very cheap. You can see them online for the region of £1 sterling or €1. It just has a little plastic spiral lead-in device here, and has a very sharp edge here which we'll see it cutting. So an example of what it produces is this little slinky type of expanded carrot. So there's a piece of carrot there. I'm going to start off and demonstrate how this works. So we simply locate the spindle at the center of the carrot and essentially screw it into it. So it has to screw right in so we can get a grip, and in a moment's time we'll see then as it moves up the spiral. So the screw device will pull the device through it. So we can see now, actually if I just turn it onto the cutting face here, you can see as it's screwing in, it starts to screw into the cutting face, right? So again, the screw pitch determines the bite. I've tried this on a thinner carrot, and because the screw cracked the carrot along the axis, then the spiral broke. In this case here, I'm going to try and get the spiral to be as long as possible. So I'm going to try and turn the spiral, or turn the carrot on the device rather than the other way around, and try and let the weight fall downwards. Let's see how big a spiral we can make out of this before it cracks. So I think it would make for a very interesting either presentation of food, but also if you were to spiral these before, you might see, you can see how it's cracked there, so that's going to be the end of this. You see that there, right? And just to remove it, simply unscrew the spiral from the stump of the carrot that's left. What I think is interesting is you can do this with potatoes, you can do it with all sorts of, I suppose, hard-edged items, presumably apples, etc. So you've got a little slinky carrot spiral there. I think it would be very interesting to steam that and see how it would turn out.